हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू द चैनल। तो आज की वीडियो में मैं आपके लिए लेकर आई हूँ इनकम टैक्स सब्जेक्ट का सॉल्व क्वेश्चन पेपर। तो चलिए वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं। ये है बीकॉम फोर्थ सेम का सॉल्व क्वेश्चन पेपर, इनकम टैक्स लॉ एंड अकाउंट्स। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट इट। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, total income of Pankaj Pandey, age 20 years, for the assessment year 2022 and 2023 is rupees 4 lakh. He will pay tax. So option B is correct, rupees nil. Question number 2, the rate of tax on lottery winnings is ऑप्शन नंबर ए 20%, ऑप्शन नंबर बी 30%। तो इसका करेक्ट ऑप्शन है ऑप्शन बी 30%। Question number 3, exemption limit in the case of resident woman below 60 years of age for the assessment year 2022 to 23 is option A is correct, rupees 2,50,000. Question number 4, if total income is rupees 5,20,312, the rounded off income shall be option B is correct. Question number 5, out of which income deduction under section 80G is not allowed? Option D is correct, short term capital gain under section 111A. Question number 6, sum of various heads of income is called? Option B is correct, gross total income. Question number 7, rate of TDS on lottery winnings is? तो इसका करेक्ट ऑप्शन है ऑप्शन सी 30%. Question number 8, under section 80E, deduction in respect of payment of interest on loan taken for the higher education shall be allowed up to? तो इसका करेक्ट ऑप्शन है ऑप्शन डी नो लिमिट. Question number 9, which income is rounded off? Option B total income. Option B is correct. Question number 10, number of heads in income tax act are? Option C 5. Option C is correct. Question number 11, when income tax was levied in India first time? Option A is correct, in 1860. Question number 12, exemption limit for the assessment year 2022 to 23 for our non-resident individual is? Option C is correct, rupees 2,50,000. Question number 13, the present income tax act is known as? Option D, Income Tax Act 1961. Question number 14, in case of a woman SSC, her income from agriculture of rupees 20,000 shall be included in her total income when it is more than the following limit. Option C is correct, rupees 2,50,000. Question number 15, percentage of income from the sale of coffee ground and crude in India is considered as agricultural income. Option C is correct, 60%. Question number 16, percentage of income from growing and manufacturing tea in India is considered as agricultural income. Option C is correct, 60%. Question number 17, income from the rent of agricultural land is? Option D is correct, agricultural income. Question number 18, on the basis of residence, the SSC are divided into how many categories? Option C is correct, 3. Question number 19, every year the residential status of an SSC? Option B is correct, may change. Question number 20, salary payable by the government of India to an individual citizen for services outside India? Option B is correct, is taxable in India. Question number 21, agricultural income is? Option C is correct, exempted. Question number 22, the daily allowances received by a member of parliament is? Option B is correct, exempt. Question number 23, exempted income is? Option B is correct, dividend from a domestic company. Question number 24, income of minor child is exempted. तो इसका करेक्ट ऑप्शन है ऑप्शन ए ₹1500. Question number 25, share received by the member of Hindu undivided family is, option B is correct, exempt. Question number 26. The maximum amount for deduction as entertainment allowance to a government employee is, इसका करेक्ट ऑप्शन है ऑप्शन बी ₹5000. क्वेश्चन नंबर 27. सैलरी इंक्लूड्स, ऑप्शन डी इज करेक्ट, ऑल ऑफ दीज. क्वेश्चन नंबर 28. वैल्यू ऑफ फैसिलिटी ऑफ अ हाउस ओन्ड बाय द एम्प्लॉयर प्रोवाइडेड टू एन एम्प्लॉय इन द सिटी वेयर द पॉपुलेशन इज 9 लाख शैल बी. तो इसका करेक्ट ऑप्शन है ऑप्शन सी 7.5% ऑफ सैलरी. क्वेश्चन नंबर 29. हाउस रेंट अलाउंस इज, मकान किराया भत्ता. तो इसका करेक्ट ऑप्शन है ऑप्शन डी एग्जेम्प्टेड फॉर गवर्नमेंट एम्प्लॉयज़. क्वेश्चन नंबर 30. द मैक्सिमम डिडक्शन ऑफ इंटरेस्ट ऑन लोन टेकन फॉर कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ हाउस गिवन ऑन रेंट इज, इसका करेक्ट ऑप्शन है ऑप्शन डी नो लिमिट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 31. द एनुअल वैल्यू ऑफ सेल्फ ऑक्यूपाइड हाउस इज, ऑप्शन ए करेक्ट है, नील, 0. क्वेश्चन नंबर 32. द एनुअल वैल्यू ऑफ अ हाउस प्रॉपर्टी इज ₹2 lakh. बी एंड सी आर इक्वल कॉर्नर्स ऑफ द हाउस. बीज इनकम फ्रॉम हाउस प्रॉपर्टी शैल बी. इसका करेक्ट ऑप्शन है ऑप्शन सी 1 lakh, ₹1 lakh. क्वेश्चन नंबर 33. द बेस ऑफ कंप्यूटेशन ऑफ इनकम अंडर द हेड इनकम फ्रॉम हाउस प्रॉपर्टी इज, इसका करेक्ट ऑप्शन है ऑप्शन डी एनुअल वैल्यू. क्वेश्चन नंबर 34. मिस्टर शोभित रिटायर फ्रॉम सर्विस एंड ही गॉट 3/4 पेंशन computed and received ₹7,20,000. Compute the exempted amount assuming if he also received gratuity. तो इसके 4 ऑप्शन हैं इसमें से. ये हमारा न्यूमेरिकल क्वेश्चन है. अगर आप लोगों में से इसका आंसर किसी को पता है तो आप कमेंट्स में बता सकते हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 35. मैक्सिमम एग्जेम्प्टेड अमाउंट ऑफ इनकैशमेंट ऑफ अर्नड लीव रिसीव्ड बाय एन एम्प्लॉयज इज, ऑप्शन बी करेक्ट, ₹3 lakh. क्वेश्चन नंबर 36. द कंप्यूटेड पेंशन इन केस द एम्प्लॉय डज नॉट गेट ग्रेचुइटी शैल बी एग्जेम्प्टेड. ऑप्शन ए इसका करेक्ट है 1/2 ऑफ द टोटल पेंशन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 37. ₹30,000 paid in cash for higher charges of goods carriage the disallowed expenses shall be, option C is correct, ₹30,000. Question number 38. What would be the assessment year of the financial year 2021 to 22? तो इसका करेक्ट ऑप्शन है ऑप्शन डी. क्वेश्चन नंबर 39. Allowed items when computed business income is, option D all of these. Correct. Option D is correct. Question number 40. Under which the work of a doctor is covered? तो इसका करेक्ट ऑप्शन है ऑप्शन सी प्रोफेशन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 41. आउट ऑफ द फॉलोइंग विच एक्सपेंसेस इज नॉट एन एडमाइजेबल एक्सपेंसेस? तो इसका करेक्ट ऑप्शन है ऑप्शन सी गुड्स एंड सर्विस टैक्स. ऑप्शन सी इज करेक्ट. Question number 42. The income tax rate on a long term capital gain for an individual is, इसका करेक्ट ऑप्शन है ऑप्शन सी 20%. क्वेश्चन नंबर 43. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट अ कैपिटल एसेट्स? ऑप्शन ए इज करेक्ट, स्टॉक इन ट्रेड. क्वेश्चन नंबर 44. फॉर हाउ मैनी असेसमेंट ईयर्स अनएब्जॉर्ब्ड डेप्रिसिएशन कैन बी कैरिड फॉरवर्ड फॉर सेट ऑफ? तो इसका करेक्ट ऑप्शन है ऑप्शन ए स्पेसिफाइड पीरियड. क्वेश्चन नंबर 45. डेप्रिसिएशन इज अलाउड ऑन? ऑप्शन बी इज करेक्ट, पेटेंट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 46. द रेट ऑफ डेप्रिसिएशन ऑन फर्नीचर इज, इसका करेक्ट ऑप्शन है ऑप्शन ए 10%. क्वेश्चन नंबर 47. द डिडक्शन अलाउेबल इन रेस्पेक्ट ऑफ फैमिली पेंशन टैक्सेबल अंडर इनकम फ्रॉम अदर सोर्सेज इज, इसका करेक्ट ऑप्शन है ऑप्शन सी 1/3 ऑफ पेंशन और ₹15,000 विच एवर इज लेस. क्वेश्चन नंबर 48. पेंशन रिसीव्ड फ्रॉम एम्प्लॉयर इज टैक्सेबल अंडर विच हेड? इसका करेक्ट ऑप्शन है ऑप्शन ए सैलरी हेड. क्वेश्चन नंबर 49. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट chargeable to tax under the head income from other sources. Option C is correct. Profit on sale of jewelry. Question number 50. Which of the following does not come under the category of transfer? Option C, both A and B. Question number 51. In case of shares, long-term capital gain will arise if the SSC retains the shares with him for a period of, option B is correct, more than 12 months. Question number 52. Deduction under section 80G is allowed in connection with, option B is correct, donation. Question number 53. Deduction under section 80C is not available to, option A is correct, company. Question number 54. Mr. Akhilesh is completely blind. He will avail deduction under section 80U. इसका correct option है option A, 1,25,000. Option A is correct. Question number 55. A resident individual received rupees 5 lakh as royalty on a literary book. He will get deduction under section 80QQB. Option B is correct, rupees 3 lakh. Question number 56. Maximum deduction in respect of medical insurance premium paid for a senior citizen is, option C is correct, rupees 50,000. Question number 57. Donation to Prime Minister's National Relief Fund is deductible 100% out of gross total income of the SSC under which section of Income Tax Act? Option B is correct, section 80G. Question number 58. Which of the following donations is eligible for 100% deduction? Option B is correct, National Sports Fund, Rashtriya Khel Kosh. Question number 59. The term previous year means, option D is correct, financial year before the assessment year. Question number 60. Compute expected rent, municipal value rupees 90,000, fair rent rupees 80,000, standard rent rupees 70,000. Option A is correct, rupees 70,000. Question number 61. Compute professional income, gross fees received rupees 60,000, professional expenses rupees 20,000. Option D is correct, rupees 40,000. Question number 62. Compute taxable salary, basic salary rupees 30,000, per month dearness allowances rupees 50,000 per annum. Option A is correct. Question number 63. Tax deducted at source made by, option A is correct, person making payment. Question number 64. First installment of advance tax payable falls due on, option C is correct, June 15. Question number 65. Individual SSC is liable to pay advance tax in dash installments during the financial year 2022 to 23. Option C is correct. Question number 66. Akash, who is 62 years old, has to file a return of income if his gross total income is in excess of, option D is correct, rupees 3 lakh. Question number 67. Rectification of mistake is done, option C is correct, under section 154. Question number 68. For an individual having income from salary or family pension and interest, the prescribed form is, option E is correct, ITR 1. Loss from speculation business can be set off from, option A is correct, income from speculative business. Question number 70. Long-term capital loss can be set off in the following, option C is correct, 8 years. Question number 71. Loss of card game can be set off from, option A is correct, income from card game. Question number 72. Long-term capital loss can be set off from, option B is correct, long-term capital gain. Question number 73. Minor's income shall be included in the SSC's income if, option A is correct, it exceeds rupees 1,500. Question number 74. Income of minor son rupees 20,000 and income of minor daughter rupees 12,000 included in the income of father. Father will get the exemption. Option B is correct, rupees 3,000. Question number 75. An individual aged 82 year resident in India is liable to pay tax if his income is more than, तो इसका करेक्ट ऑप्शन है ऑप्शन डी, रुपीज़ 5 लाख. तो इसी के साथ ये कंप्लीट हुए हैं हमारे 75 क्वेश्चन। ये क्वेश्चन पेपर है इनकम टैक्स का क्वेश्चन पेपर 2023 का। तो मिलते हैं इसके बाद हम मिलते हैं किसी नेक्स्ट वीडियो में किसी न्यू टॉपिक के साथ। तब तक के लिए गुड बाय।